Hello guys, Prathvik this side. So today we'll be solving our LeetCode problem 217 contains duplicate. So before we dive into the solution of this problem, let's first understand what this problem is saying. We have given an integer array nums. We have to return true if any value appears at least twice in the array and return false if every element is distinct. So basically this problem wants us to find the number of frequency in an array and return true if a number has appeared more than twice or equal to twice, and return false if every element has one frequency. So basically there are our two approaches here, because in this question we are not trying to give the output of which element has appeared twice. We just need to return true and false, and that's why we can use a set to define which element, if the elements has duplicates or not. And the other approach would be our using a map to identify the frequencies here. So first we'll go with the set approach here, because it's more clean and refined in this word. So I will just create a set here, and then I will just store our elements of nums in our set. Begin nums and and since we have stored our elements in this, I'm going to just check if our size are equal or not to nums dot size. And if they are not equal, it means we have found duplicates here, so we'll return true here. And if the sizes are equal, we will just return false here. And this code will run because in set it automatically removes the duplicate and only keeps the distinct values here. And our next approach can be using a map here. As you can see, this all is passing all the test cases, but we can also do this question by using a map here, and first and putting all the frequencies to their elements. So we can also do it with that. So let's just do it with our second approach here. Good. So we have initialized our another map here. Now we'll just start putting the values of our nums array into an object. This will give us the frequency with its element, and after this we will just run our loop here, which will contain our frequency, which will check if we have a true condition here or a false condition. So 8 dot second split it, then 2, then we return true, and if it doesn't, we return false. So this approach will also work here, because what we are doing is we are checking if the frequency of any element has been greater than 2. And let's submit our code and see if all the edge cases are passing. And our space complexity for this code is on, since we are using an order map here, and our time complexity is o log n, because we are putting the values of our nums into object. So that's it for my side, guys. Thank you guys for watching.